Hello kindergarten friends. Okay, now let's open our arms. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, 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 open, close. Okay, so let's sing together. Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm great, thank you. I hope that you are too. Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm great, thank you. I hope that you are too. Hi, Sincerity. Hi, Soka. Hi, Kay. Hi, Valerian. Hi, Ai. Hi, Alma. Hi, Keva.
Hello, Humbleness. Hello, Carlson. Hello, Marco. Hello, James. Hello, Sarah. Hello, Eleona. And hello, Queen.
Hi Gratefulness. Hi Rehan. Hi Luna. Hi Edward. Hi Alceo. Hi Jose. How are you today, friends? Are you happy? Are you wonderful? Yeah, Miss Irene is happy too. So friends, today we are going to meet Miss Winda and we are going to learn numeracy. Yay! What we are going to do in numeracy? Let's find out it later. Now, as usual, before we start our activity today, I am going to ask you to sing together with me. Now, the song that we will sing today is about some animals that live underwater. What animals live underwater? Okay, so you can join me to sing it while you move your hand. Are you ready? Slippery fish, sliding through the water. Slippery fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by an octopus, squiggling in the water. An octopus, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a shark. Wow. Now, after singing about some animals that live underwater, I guess we are ready to do all of the activities today. Are you ready, friends? Okay, I guess we are ready. Now, let's meet Miss Winda, okay? Bye, friends.